Got my baby in car heaven. Does this shit. Yeah. I am.
Yeah, you already showed
They
me.
told me
Already, bro.
they told me to bring it. They told me to put it in. They told me to put it in. Said put it in, right? Nice. Fuck it, we can charge him. Do this car shit, man. Car shit. Car life. You like it? Car life. My baby's the next one. Next, right? Look at that, Daddy. Look at the truck we putting together. See it? Look at this. You only got this at home? Putting this together, look. Right? Putting this together, look at this. Right? You like it? Look at this. Got a whole side, whole game. I'm getting footage of everything. But I should have put my car in here. You think Daddy's car is ready? I know it's ready. What that look like? Look like daddy old car? Huh? That look like my old shit, right? Come on, go back this way. This car life. This car life. You into this car shit? I ain't really. Look. It's trucking. It's trucking. This is a truck. It got air suspension on it. This is real trucking right here. Hold on. Hold on, where got the keys at? Huh? You said what? You want to play basketball? You can go shoot the ball, but there's a lot of big kids there. Come here. Come this way. Come. Look at this. The alcohol shit.
Huh?
You got a ball in there.
That's lit though. How you gonna fuck?
Fire. It's fire.
No, play basketball.
Hunter,
Check it out. Oh, he took his shit out.
Hunter, there's a lot of big. You could go shoot the ball, but you're not staying to play no basketball. You wanna go shoot the ball? Me and Uncle Pace take you to go shoot the ball, but we gotta come in here next year. Yeah, next year. I seen it. So we outside. I got so much footage for y'all. It's crazy.
Let's go back outside.
You wanna go shoot the ball real quick? All right, you wanna shoot the ball? You wanna shoot the ball? You said what? wanna shoot the ball? You wanna shoot? You wanna go outside? You're gonna get a shot, so we go back outside.
Just a heads up also, there's a mini bucket ball challenge. That reminds me of beer pong.
So he's gonna shoot the ball, right?
It'll be right up here at the
Lit.
kids booth. The kids can go, the adults can go. If you think you can get all in before your other opponent does.
You wanna shoot the ball, huh?
Kids, it's up to you. Take it. A heads up again, basketball competition starts in about 5 minutes for the 3 versus 3. So if you do want to watch or head over or ask any questions or questions and blunts,
Come on, let's go outside.
at the table is at the
Huh?
entrance of the
Gotta go
dome
wash my
when you
car.
come in. Don't forget also, there's a 3-point competition and there's also a dunk contest. You win a prize.
There's too many cars outside. I gotta go watch.
And a little while later, we're going to do a soccer challenge.
Go ahead, shoot the ball. What time? Oh, shit. Go ahead, he made it. Look, my baby shot the ball and made it. Oh, shit.
You know what I'm saying? First fucking shot.
He looked at him too. He played ball.
Stop
Come
being
on.
shy though. You shy. Stop being shy.
Bob, you hungry?
Huh?
You hungry? Alright, when we leave,
I ate today?
go ahead. When we leave out of here, we're stopping McDonald's or something.
I didn't eat all day today.
Me, you ain't Uncle Page and you shit now. Come on.
Make it, boy. You gotta make me proud though. I ain't gonna lie. I was trying to wait. I was waiting for the.
First shot, my baby made it. The first shot, he made it.
You made it. I ain't gonna lie. I'm proud of you.
First shot, he made it. We outside. Yeah. Gang, gang.
But they about to have a tournament, so you probably can't even shoot them. They about to have a 3-on-3 tournament. Like big people.
More part of no car, nigga.
Well, let me check my car real quick.
Yeah. I definitely. You good?
Hey, yo.
Bronze bound, baby. Hunter, come here.
You literally took up this whole lot.
I know. That was good.
Y'all keep talking about that shit.
That was good.
Any colada, never change fresh.
Ah. What's up, baby? How you alright? Yeah, everything good. Tired, but everything good. Have to bring him out here, see these cars.
I got the kids too. Look at me.
Hey, that's it. You having fun? Yeah. My back is killing me.
Yeah.
What's up, boy?
What's up, my brother? How
You alright?
doing, my
Everything
brother?
good?
I can't complain. What's up?
You
How
fine?
you?
You so ugly? I see it. What's up, Bobby?
What's up, nigga?
Ain't shit yet. Don't worry. My shit'll be in there next year. I ain't worried about it. I'm not worried about it. What's your face? Yo, he made his first shot. The nigga made it. The first shot in the basketball court.
Oh, shit, what up, nephew?
Them 5.
You your pops, alright? I'll beat his ass too. I'll go ass back.
Damn, nigga, how the fuck you get turkey, nigga? What the fuck?
He ain't dirty, he ain't having fun, bro.
But it's blue though. It's light blue. Shit.
Wagwan. Nigga, I'm outside.
Hey yo, can I get some of that footage, bro?
I'm downloading it, nigga.
I need all of that. I seen her. You bugged. She's like,
That's the thing with that.
she like,
She was outside.
like,
Like this, standing up straight. I'm like, you crazy.